Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another deal of the week. This time we are going all the way to Marketplace, go south to Mississippi. We're looking at a '79 Dodge Aspen. This one's priced at 10 grand, which I think is very conservative for the car they have. It is black, got a nice A-body hood scoop on it. Grill looks nice. Doesn't say if it's an RT or anything. Doesn't look like it. Looks like somebody just put some louvers on. Some old weld wheels on it, but it looks very clean. And being from Mississippi, I would probably say it really is. They really don't give a lot of details in the ad description, but it does say it's a 340 car, and the AC and heat does both work. Interior looks to be reupholstered, and split bench with a little buddy seat. That's always nice. And tough wheel. The headliner looks like it does have a little sag to it, but that can be worked with. Engine bay could use a little bit of tidying up. Really don't like the look of that fuel line coming up there, being all hose and whatnot, but to each is to their own. But, I'd say for the car, the condition, the wing's not for me, might be for some other people, but I'd say for 10 grand, this is a great deal. I would have no problem putting 2 grand for shipping on this one. You would definitely make your money back, even if you had to eat shipping on top of it. So, but yeah, I'd say it's a good car. Here's the ad description, so if you want to look it up on Marketplace. So, yeah. But appreciate you guys tuning in. And as always, this is the deal of the week. And this is Dutch Guy's Garage. And always remember, they don't move until you do.